Hello again. Pigeon and I, that's our dog over there, have been out picking some wild garlic to make a wild garlic pesto. This is a recipe that Francis created about a year ago. Absolutely fabulous. It's become one of our firm family favourites for using to make lovely simple pasta dishes, things like that. Wild garlic is unmistakable because it really pongs of garlic. So when you find it, you will have no doubt. But if you're lucky, it's growing in your garden. Otherwise, forage it locally. And if you can't find wild garlic, then why not just use other types of fresh herbs like basil or coriander, something like that, and you can make a brilliant pesto that way. Have fun and happy pesto making!